Check it out. In this video, we're going to show you how to pair and set up wireless CarPlay in your 2017 to 19 Nissan Pathfinder. You can see that this system is going to use your original Bluetooth for audio, and it will preserve fully your factory microphone and all audio quality. This is going to work for cars that have the factory and navigation system. You must have had the original map for this system to work in your car. We're going to have a full installation video, but now I'm going to show you how to pair and set up CarPlay. All right, to start, long holding the back button for 3 seconds is how you switch between the original system and the Hamilton system. We will begin by pairing CarPlay. Go ahead and pull out your iPhone, open up Settings, Bluetooth, and look for a new device starting with Hamilton. When you see it, go ahead and touch it. Your iPhone will prompt you with a pairing code. When it comes up, click Pair. Click Allow to Contacts and Favorites. And if you see a blue button that says Connect CarPlay, click Connect. When it asks you to check for apps, click Allow. And just like that, CarPlay is paired. Now, let's pair the factory Infinity Bluetooth. This system will use your factory Bluetooth for audio. We'll come here, long hold the back button, touch Settings, Bluetooth, connect a device, add new, and now on your iPhone from Settings, look for a new device named My Car. Your phone may call it hands-free. When you see it, touch it. Click Allow Contacts and Favorites. When it appears, now wait for about 30 seconds while the Bluetooth syncs. You'll usually hear your music start to play. We'll click here Audio and make sure that the audio source is set to Bluetooth now. Now we'll long hold the back button. There it is. We're in CarPlay and the factory Bluetooth is fully working. If you have additional questions about this, check out our Help Center article, help.hamiltonmotorcompany.com. You can locate your car and see important articles and details to help you with any questions you have about this process. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company, and I'll see you in the next video.